So here's the image or picture we're going to print, and it is set for the 5x7, and it is in the print mode. So all we have to do is just push the print button, and let me show you the printer. Okay, we're using this ancient HP 4200. The reason I'm using this is because the cartridges are really inexpensive. Just put a color cartridge in, and black one still has quite a bit of ink. So yeah, we put the print side down. All right, let's go ahead and press print, and we'll take a look at the together. We'll see how it turns out, because I don't know how well that ink is or how old that is. I'm sure that was a refurbished cartridge. Okay, just push the print, and I don't hear my printer responding. There we go. Alright, we got some blue sky. Yeah, pretty good quality. Not the best picture in the world or photo, so yeah, it turned out pretty well, I thought. Okay, now we're going to start the distressed look. It's already distressed, really, but we'll make it look really old if we can. So the so the ink is dry. It's been about 15 minutes. What I'm going to do is just cut this white out, and I should have enough paper for a second print. But yeah, if we leave this on here, it is going to go press onto our shirt. We don't want that. Doesn't have to be exact, because I'm going to tatter up these sides and corners. Something like that. So if we put that on a t-shirt just like that, it would obviously look homemade, like like a picture on a t-shirt. We could round it off a little bit, the corners, and that's always a good idea, because there's a possibility that if you leave it sharp like that, it may, they may peel. But what I'm going to do is kind of give it a tattered look, like I said, a distressed look, like it's been worn, I don't know, 15, 20 times at least. And to do that, let's just go ahead and round these off. But I'm just going to kind of cut in here. And make it look like it's already kind of torn. Go pretty deep on this one. Round everything off. Anyway, that's the idea. I'm going to keep doing this. I'll get back in just a second. Alright, so yeah, that's kind of what we're going to do. Okay, next step, what I'm going to do is we're just going to crinkle this up. Try to get some like white marks in it, in the print. Kind of aged looks, wrinkles. Alright, completely experimental. I've only made one before. Turned out pretty nice. Okay, so I could keep crinkling it up, but I really kind of like the picture the way it is. If it was maybe a darker print or just one like one big car or something, I'd probably keep doing it. But so what I was kind of looking for is see the little crack there. You can see some up here. So yeah, I don't want to take away from some of these smaller cars by continuing to do this. Like see that right there, that crack. There's one, probably the best one right there. And then we start getting into the white car here, the Impala. So yeah, we're just going to stop at that. Now the probably the most difficult thing in doing this by far is peeling this away, because this is a dark color shirt we're going to use, so we will need to peel this side off. And since I've already cut around it like this, it's probably going to be pretty hard to get off. So now I did get the first one that I made a couple of days ago. It turned out pretty well. I don't know if I had it this tattered up, but let's try to do that and see how well it turns out for this one. Alright, so to peel this away, I'm using like an X-Acto knife, and you just kind of have to separate the paper from the print. Now, with it being cut like I've done, it's probably going to be, well, it's going to be harder, but it should be possible. See, check that out. See, it's pretty durable stuff, and that's going to be on the T-shirt. So that'll kind of give you an idea how durable it will be. So I don't have the press here. I'm just going to go ahead and get these corners and sides pulled away, but as you can see, I'm not going to have any problem really with this. So what I'll do is I'll keep doing this off camera, and then I will I'll go to where my press is at, and we'll try to pick up from there. Here we are with the heat press. I'm about to, let's go ahead and turn it on. And I think they've got it set. Someone's been borrowing this, so it's kind of been a temporary setup. It's not on a table, which it really should be. I think they've got it for, what do they have it for? $3.90? Wow. Let's take it down a little bit. I'm gonna do $3.70. $400. Yeah, I don't know if it's I don't know how to work this very well. It's been a while since I really have been doing a lot of these. So we'll do, yeah, okay. And it's 18 seconds once it heats up to 370. That's the press time, 18 seconds. So we'll let it get there. Right now it's like 82 degrees. I don't know if you can see, 83. Let me go ahead and turn the light off. Yeah, that's better. So yeah, it's going to move its way up, heating up to 370. We got the shirt laid out here. So if you really wanted to do a distress print, I guess you'd probably want a kind of an old shirt. This really is not an old shirt. It's what we have here. It's what I have. So I'm going to go ahead and use it. I've got some parchment paper, or they do. Here's my sheet. I want to make sure that it's going to cover this black shirt completely. Otherwise, we may singe this area if it's not completely covered with the press. What I will do is bring the press over when it gets to about 350 or something like that, and we'll pull it down and kind of get all the wrinkles out. Now would be a good time to make sure that there's no hair or anything. It's looking okay. All right, so my print here we're working with really pretty small. This is still kind of experimental. Just got the new ink and wanted to kind of test that. So yeah, really should be a little bit bigger to look good actually. It's all I guess it's all your preference. But what we'll be doing is I'm going to go ahead and take this backing all the way off. See if I can do that. Yeah, so it really did peel pretty easy. Okay, and then we will we'll put that on our shirt in the right position, or position we want. A lot of these wrinkles from crinkling it up will be pressed out. So yeah, if we wanted to continue crinkling it, I guess we could get some more of this kind of look. But like I said earlier, I really it's really kind of old looking anyway, old photo, and it's kind of faded anyway with that being an old photo. So yeah, I'll set it up in a position. What are we at now? We're at 156. So I'll get right back when we get about 350. Alright, so we're like at 360 almost. Let's go ahead and get the wrinkles out of the shirt. About 5 seconds, we'll hold it down. They've got the pressure set different. Yeah, they've got the I don't know how many seconds that was, but we're getting close to 370. All right, that looks pretty good. All right, so what I'll do is just put my kind of position where I want it to be at, based on the collar and on the sides and on the bottom, kind of frame it. That's about where I want it right there. Put our parchment paper back over it. Now I'm going to have to count. Make sure I don't move that. Yeah, I'm going to have to count because I don't know how to do the timer anymore. So yeah, we're 378. Okay, let's go. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. All right, let's go ahead and turn it off. There is our print on the shirt. So let it cool a little bit and we'll take a closer look. We can take a look now. So yeah, I didn't get a lot of those white lines in there. There's some right there. If I wanted to, I could have continued, but like I said, I think earlier I didn't really see the need. There's some right there. I like the way that looks, kind of up in here. Probably didn't need to do as much as I did, but there we have it, the distressed look on a dark color print. Being black, I probably won't even wear this until fall because it's so hot now in mid-August. I've been wearing a lot of white shirts, so I may make a white shirt video. To do that, it's going to be different because the white paper or light color papers, you have to mirror that, and it's kind of a different way to do it. I actually like the dark this paper better, where you peel it off before you print it. So yeah, I guess that'll be it. Thank you for watching the video. Till next time, have a nice day and take care.